Going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of the Mojo. Hope everyone's having a good day today. My camera seems a little laggy, but what you gonna do? What you gonna do? Oh, it's the end of the day on Friday, TGIF. Hope everyone had a wonderful trading day. We did really nice this morning on the trading. Accomplished our goals really early. A couple of select stocks. I'm gonna do some trading with you live. I should be on Ticker Talker. Let's head over to my platform. I'm in a little UVXY for a Heinz 64 right now. I got 1,000 shares at 63.97 right here. Go through 64 for the Heinz off the bottom right here. You can see it's making a little green bar. I may add another 500 shares right here. Get a little bit above 64 possible. If not, I'm going to wait for a dip down to 63.70 and then sell some back up here again. I can get up to 3,000 shares on this trade. I got 1,000 right now. There we go. Now I got 1,500 shares. Got a terrible fill. They filled me at 22 on 500 shares. Terrible fill. Let me put an order in for 64. I got filled at 63.98. Look, they gave me an extra 2 cents better that time. We'll see what we have here going through 64 on that. And we're trading live. I got my MOJO Day Trading room right here. I traded up 3,000 shares before on the last trade, up to 64.40. Made $1,000 on that one, so we're back in it again. Some guys are trading Top Ships and some other stocks. In the room, we were trading AAL. That's the Las Vegas Strip, folks. Can you believe that? The Las Vegas Strip. Empty as could be. Whew. Scary situation. We were trading a little Tilray in the room today. Tilray's done magnificent, guys. If you take a look at Tilray today, it's $8.96, $9, been as high as $10.60. $10.60 on that Tilray. All right, I'm up $300 on this UV now. I'm up $400. Take a little profit right here. 64.19. 64.24. Sell 500 right there too. I'm on the ask now. 24. I'm going to put a box down on it right here at 63.93. Buying 500. So I got filled on the 24. I got 1,500 left. Selling at 34,500. I'll sell another 200 at 29. $21, $25 range. It's making up this little bar right here, doing a nice little V-bang. Gonna hold up 1,000 to 500 as it goes through 30. Otherwise, I buy it back down here on the 64. Yeah, that's what we got going on in the Mojo room, and we traded really nice today. Some good profits today in the Mojo room. Let's see, we'll go right to the profits. Here we go. Pro Trader Renteria made $2,045. Bama made $465 today in a half hour. Half hour, guys. RK 230, Matt 223, Sares 124, Wally 550, Bloom 1500, Mar 969, Fonte, everybody making big money. Allen went down negative 4,000 to 2,700. I went from negative 4 to 2,900. Up $198 right now on UV. Just sold some at 29 and at 34. Selling at 39. 200. Sold 39, 200. I got 600 left. Selling 100 right here at 44. Up, selling at 54. and 44. And another 39. I sold to 39. Up 147 on this trade right here, up 23 cents. Still got 500 left. Cancel all my orders. Got 200 selling right here. Got 300 left. Making a little move right here. You could see on the chart. Trading live. So it's just in this little box. I don't expect anything happening right here. I'm just trading it right in here in this little box right here. Got 300 left. Got 200 left. Sold 44. 200 left. See what else we got. JDST did really nice today. It's just been a creeper all day. We've been in that JDST since the open this morning. Since 203, which is the low. The high 251. Let me see if I'm live on the ticker talker. Connect to broadcast. It seems like something's going on. They said they were going to have me up here live. I am. Nice. Look, I am. Beautiful. You're watching Pro Trader Mike on Ticker Talker. Nice, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. I get that stuff going on now, guys. I get that going on now. UVXY, I see my trade. I don't have time to put it in as a trade. This should be one of my verified trades. My UV trade right here, you know? How are we going to do that? I'm up 50 cents. You know what I'm saying? Sold 49, 100, just like that. Look at that. So yeah, we did really nice in the MOJO Day Trade room today. And when you subscribe to my channel, just like you subscribe on Ticker Talker, there's the, oh, I had a Ticker Talker thing, guys. Hold on a second. Look at that. Wait a second. Not the Corona special. See, Ticker Talker. Visit me right there. Visit the Ticker Talker right there. See it? www.tickertalker.com. Change it right here. There's no Mojo special right now. It's the Mojo checking me out on Ticker Talker right there, guys. Streaming. See that? That's what I'm talking about. So when you subscribe to my channel here or there, you get notified. Absolutely. 3:39 in the afternoon. All right, so we got a nice move on that UV bar right here at 64.81. Heading up into 65, up just high in 65. I'm up $1 now. I'm going to sell here at 65. 04. 50 shares. Done. Sold 50 at 65.04. And now I'm going to sell my last one right here at 19. Selling my last one up $1.20 at 19. Should get filled right here. Just sell it. Done. Sold at 18. Nice job, guys, on that UVXY trade. Nice job. And they're saying Top Ships is trading in the room. Top Ships is a piece of crap, dude. Last time I looked, it traded 325 million shares. Right now, and it was at 26. Now it's at 24, traded 346 million. What are you going to do with it? What are you really going to do with Top Ships? You got to buy it on the bid at 24 and have it on the ask at 26 for 500,000 shares to make money. What are you going to do with 1,000 shares? You need to cover 2 cents just to make your commission back. It's a piece of crap. You shouldn't trade this or any stock that's under $1 or $2 on this TradeX platform. The stocks you trade are right here, UVXY. 65.50 now. That was a beautiful run, man. Live on the Mochishi show. Nice little chair lift right here. You see the separation? It's only at a 36. It's going to come down, but beautiful high separation in the STO. That's the stochastics right here. So what happened is Mojo liked the cross right here. See how it did the cross? I did this as a little V-band. I did an entry here of 100 shares. I bought more here, another 100 and another 100, so that's 300. And then on this bar is where I banged it out and added that big 1,000 banger. And then right there, she started to roll. So I sold a little bit there, sold a little bit there, sold a little bit there, sold it. Now I'm done. If no matter where it goes, it doesn't make a difference. I'm not going to hit the ultimate bottom. I'm not going to hit the ultimate top, but I came very, very close on both sides. And if you do that, what I just did, making $500, 10 times a day, that's $5,000. And I only traded 1,000 shares or so, 2,000 shares, only 65 to 120,000 in buying power. Firm gives you the funds to trade on the platform. You put in $5,000, you get the $50,000 in buying power. You can get 1,000 shares, be trading UVXY. $500 a trade. You only put up $5,000 to trade with. AAL 1421. I'm not doing nothing. Looking for some Hines at the end of the day. Anything at 96, 97, 98 except Tilray. UWT out of that swing trade at 20 cents. Look at it. It's at 18 now. Trend is your friend. Stocks in motion, stay in motion. Perfect scenario right there telling you on UWT right there for you. Glad I didn't chase up NBEV at 170. Look at the crash on NBEV. Spiked up earlier. 155, 160, went to 174. Beyond's down. See, what happened was everyone's learning about the plunge protection team. You look at the stocks like Boeing, Amazon, Disney. The government tricked everybody. They needed money for the bailout, so they're like, dude, let's go in. We know what we're going to do. Let's go in and let's buy, Boeing. Everyone's scared of it right here. Let's go buy that baby right here. And that's $90. $90. Right here's 180. So in 5 days, Boeing went up 100%. It was a trick. It was a trick. Now they're trying to get everyone to come into the market here. You're going to get burned because it's going to go down and test right down here. It's got a perfect little box. See the triangle it made? Now it'll make another one right here. And then it'll go up and make another one right here. It's never going up in this range, guys, ever. So if you listened to me on my last video, when you owned it up here, you owned it up whatever this price is, 100. Now the price is trading at 30. Take your loss. That's a 70-point loss. And trade it back 10 times for 7 points. And right here, you would have done half of that already. So wait for it to come down. You know your stock, whatever it is, and wait for that triangle. Let's see Disney, what they did with Disney. Disney right here. They bought Disney down here at $79. Disney yesterday was 107. So look at what it did. Unbelievable, right? The trick that they played on everybody. Big trick. The big trick. And what you have, the plunge protection team, for your information, is this. What is the PPT? It's called the plunge protection team. What is the PPT? It's called the plunge protection team. Right here. Now, the plunge protection team is a name given to a working group of financial markets created in 1988. To provide financial and economic recommendations to the U.S. president during turbulent market times. This group is headed by the Secretary of the Treasury and other members of the chairman of the board of the governors of the Federal Reserve, the chairman of the Securities and the Exchange Commission, and the chairman of the Commodity Futures Commission. The name plunge protection was coined by the Washington Post and applied to the group in 1997. In March of 1988, in the wake of the stock market crash of 87, President Ronald Reagan created an executive order in the President's Working Group on Financial Markets, the concept to create an informed but informal advisory group on the markets for the President and the regulators, charged with enhancing the integrity, efficiency, and orderliness of the competitiveness of the nation's market. Its original purpose was on Black Monday, 1987. During that event, the Dow Jones fell 22%. And what actions, if any, should have been taken. However, the group has continued to meet and report to various presidents over the years during turbulent times in the financial markets. In 1999, it issued a recommendation to Congress requesting changes in this and that, and that's what the plunge protection team is, dudes. It's rigged. It's rigged. Let's see what's hot and not right now. Let's go right to the news. Nice. So UVXY is the only thing hot to trot right now. Tilray did Heinz 9. Look at that, $9.12. Steady up from the bottom right here on stopping station 872 to 77. FYI Mojo Traders, where stopping station was. Next one right here is Tops, 349 million shares traded. Piece of crap. Traded INO through $8 earlier. It was one of my most magnificent trades at $7.90 through $8. Right up here earlier. Beautiful trade. Made a fortune on it. JDST still not moving at 246 by 247. Same way it creeped down, it creeped back up. Let's take a quick perusal right now of some of the hot swing picks that Mojo's got in the portfolio that we've been going over every single day, and see where we're at with that baby. So the Dow's down 591 points to 21,960. The S&P 500's down 61 points at 2,568. And the Nasdaq's down 204 to 75.92. Krone is a $7 covered call. It's $6.42. We own it at $5.25. Up 22%, high 663 today. Zynga, we have right here at 645 is 676, up 4%. We have the $7 covered call for 45 cents. Looks like it's pretty good on April 17th. Right now, if it was April 17th, it would expire worthless. We would keep the 45 cents and then go out to May 1st and do another $7 covered call and bring a bigger premium. Glue Mobile, same exact thing. Own at $6.25. It's even at $6.23. We have the $6 covered call right here. If it stays exactly where it is, probably get called away and we keep the 30 cents or we roll up the strike. Canopy Growth at $13.80 is $14.70. We've got the $15 covered call. It's been as high as $15.99 today. That is a beautifully hot stock. Then we have Federal Signal Corporation. Locked up with a covered call at 28.50 is 26.98. With a $35 covered call that looks to expire worthless, we got a buck in it. ABM Industries at 27 is 22. And we're waiting for the stock to go near 25 to do a covered call for $2. So we're waiting on that. And that's going to be a 7%er. So we just got to wait on that. $2 into 27.50. American Airlines, we're going to do the put today. So we're going to do a $15 put that expires on April 17th. What we did on AA was we waited yesterday because it was up big and the day before, and we waited for it to come down so we can resell another put for the same expiration as the covered call on April 17th. We go into the options. It's at 14.11. Going to go to the April 17 puts. We're going to sell a $14 put. The $14 put is $2 right there. $2. $2 for the April 14 put. So we're buying it at 12 right now. That's basically what we're doing. So we're going the $14 put. Where's it at? Let's see the 15 put. The 15 put is $2.45. 14 put, we're saving 55 cents. We'll take the 14. As long as it's under 4. If it's $14 and over, guys, nothing. We keep the $2. If it's under 14, we buy it at 14. We keep the 2. We own it at 12. If it's over 14, we keep the 2. We don't buy the shares. That's it. The shares are going to get put to me. 1,000 shares. I sell 10 puts. That's $2,000. 2 divided by 14.50, the cost of the stock, is a 13.7% gain if it gets put to me. And I'm doing it right here on 327. Perfect. I got the covered call. The 18 is going to expire worthless. This covered call right now is worth nothing. So I have the April 17, the $18 covered call is worth 85 cents. Sold it for $2. So I could buy it back, roll down to a 17, keep the $1.25, which I'm going to do. This is how you do. You can. I don't have to wait until April 17th. Watch. So right here, I come down. I take this April right here on American Airlines that I sold for $2 on 325. See it? This is AAL. Sold it for $2, right? AAL. I sold it for 2. It's worth 85 cents. So I buy it back for 85 cents. Sold it for 2. AAL. Covered call. Sold for 2. Bought it for 85. I'm going to make a profit there. Of $1.15 divided by 14.50. That's the cost of the stock. Is 16.67% locked in. Done. Now, that's a profit. Now I come up, I do the 17 call for the same strike. So I come up here, the AAL. I do the AAL $17 covered call now. Expires April 17th. And that one right there is 17 is $1.07 by $1.08. If I wait until tomorrow it's up, I may get more, but I'll take $1.10. So I got the April 17 for $1.10. So $1.10 divided by 14.50 is $1.10 divided by 14.5 is a 7.58% gain. Done. And I raised my strike price from 18 to lower to a 17 because the stock is at 1402. Great job locking in. While the stock is doing nothing, I just made $1 and change on the call and redid a call and just magnificent action. Clorox up 5%, got the covered call. Service Master, Tilray up 63%. I mean, it's just never ending. A Box up 46%. And right here, I only got 3 swing picks left. I'm 3 for 3. JDST, My Little Pony, and NXTD. And all the other ones this month have been closed out. On today, all these closed out today. Every one of them on the 27th. Right here. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losers, 3 break-evens, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 9 winners and 3 more break-evens. That's all in one day's, all within this week's pick. I'm not going long over the weekend with nothing. Sunday's a brand new day. So much can happen in this world. It is a crazy thing. So let's take the profits while we have them. If they keep going, maximize them. If they turn back the other way, get the hell out of them, guys. And that's what we do. I'm going to keep the Box and let it get called away. The Box is going to get called away at $11. We have a right here. Getting rid of this covered call. We're not going to do this one. So we got it. Going to lose Box at $11.45. It's 14. Big deal. We did real good on that. UVXY is 67 now, guys. 67 now on UV. Anybody still in the UV? Still going in rail grind. Anyone still in the UV? 67.20. Tops did crap. INO's moving 839, 840. You're not in UV or INO? Neither of them? That sucks for you guys. All I'm talking about. All I'm talking about in the last 2 hours waiting for this show. It's all I was talking about. UVXY and INO. Oh, Nantucket's Long Island. I know. Someone listened to me. So right here, guys, INO. I'm in at $8. That's what I'm in. INO. And this Sienna, this was a pick from Jason Bond Picks. This morning, Batman told me about this stock, SIEN. Right here. And Renteria's, so froggy on it going to 3. It destroyed everyone. I did not like it. And I told everyone that. Right here. So this morning, I was alerted at 9:53 that Jason Bond Picks just bought 10,000 shares of SIEN at $235. So we actually figured it out that with 600,000 shares traded at the time, every person buying 10,000 shares, 50 people buying it, it's going to go up a little bit more, and then it's going to crash down. So you're going to see, we did the math. It's going to trade up to 1.5 million. It's going to go up a little higher, and then it's going to crash down. And everyone's going to get burned in his service. That's what I'm thinking, because his picks aren't that good. So right there, we did a little move on it a little later after everyone made money for the day. Right here. MFA. So here's CN. It's at 227. So it made its move up. Everyone else bought in on it. And then it started its demise and crash. So right here is a lot of people own it in here who opened it late. See, the newsletter went dormant for a while. People got it originally. It went dormant for what people bought more. The people that bought more, these people probably sold, which was Jason and the other guys. And now the whole team is in up here, and it starts its crash down to 227. If it goes any lower from here, what's going to happen? It's called an auto close. Every firm that most of these traders trade with, like myself on these platforms, only allow you a certain dollar loss per day. And if you hit that dollar loss, bink, 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 especially before the close, the bell just rung just now at 4 o'clock, they're going to close you out of that. And then it's going to come back up in price. And how do I know that? Because it's happened to me many times. I've been in a stock up here, and I've been in it all day long, waiting for it to come back until they finally close me out, and that ruins my entire day. So I could teach that to people not to do that. And then the stock right there, Renteria made $17,735 today trading with Mojo. Gotta ask somebody. Okay. And then right here, the Sienna. That's the streets right here of Vegas. Empty, guys. That's Las Vegas. Empty. Empty. Yeah, that's what Mojo does, dude. You better get asked somebody. That's what I do. What I do. Right there, man. Got my kill. Man, see that bill? Pass that bill. Don't like that bill. So the people that are in Jason Bond picks right here, you lost your shares. Put your mask on, man. You lost it right there. Went from 224 down to 215, and there's a big red bar right there. That means everyone lost their shares, and you can see it right here. See the big red bar? Everyone got auto closed right there and sucked out. So Mojo comes in and buys right here. Take your pain. Need it. That's what I do right there. I came in right there on that thing at 215. That's an auto close. The Jason Bond customers all got taken. There'll be an auto stop. They hit max loss for the day. I've been there before, done that. I know all of it. Sorry. Well, not really. Not really. INO, I've been in it a while. Ever since this cross down here, I started buying it for a Heinz 8. This is 797 right here. And I just really rode that baby up beautiful on the chairlift. As long as the STO goes up into the 86, that's my stochastics. I rode that baby right up into the 30s. It closed at 32. That's a nice one right there. And JDST did good. And then I started trading UV right there. 3,000 shares, made $1,000, done. And that's it. UV, INO, Tilray, and JDST. It's all we need today. Absolutely. You know what you guys need out there? Anybody watches this video. You see how I put that on my face? See my background? How I got it covered? You don't see my office? See that? You know what I'm saying? Like if I wanted to, I can go to the beach. Watch. Okay. See, guys? So now I can put a beach background in on the back. See that? I can do, I can be in New York City and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Right there. See, I can be right there in the city and stuff. See, put the backgrounds. And you need the webcam, man. You need the webcam with the accessories, bro. See what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You need all the accessories, dude. If you don't have that, then, dude, you got to get into the matrix, cover the background. See what I'm saying? Like when on CNBC, when they go live, go, whoa, dude. Come on now. Because we're on fire. They need that on TV. That's my Manny cam. My Manny cam, guys. You know what I'm saying? I could be the Hulk, Mojo the Hulk. I could do anything I want. I could be Hellboy. I could do anything, dudes. Be Hannibal Lecter. That's what you guys need on TV. I hate looking in your background and looking at your picture. Come on, man. So that's what we got going on. Dude, did you know right now they got this boat coming into the freaking port right now? This is the same every day. The market closed down 915 points. It's a normal $1,000 swing, 1,000-point swing up and down. That's normal right now. Do you know there's a boat coming in to Fort Lauderdale with 4 dead people on it? And everyone's telling them just dump them out, man. Can you believe that? In Fort Lauderdale, 4 dead. Look, coming in 4 minutes ago right now on the Holland America. 4 people die on Fort Lauderdale bound Holland America cruise ship right there, dudes.
At the port of Galveston, it appeared as business as usual, with thousands boarding the Carnival cruise ship Dream, leaving for Mexico.
Where are we going? Cozumel, and I'm taking my whole family.
I'm gonna go have fun. They say live your life. I'm gonna do it.
Bob and Cynthia Lindsay of Houston just spent 5 days aboard a Carnival cruise ship at Cozumel. The big change they noticed: ship personnel constantly reminding the passengers to disinfect their hands wherever, and with literally thousands of people.
Great. Now there's a boat coming into Fort Lauderdale, and there's the U.S. Navy ship. That's a big-ass boat, dude. Current and future patients will be gradually brought... Come on, what does that say? Will be gradually brought the floating hospital, which was created from a converted oil tanker. Is that why Top Ships is doing so good? Because they're going to convert it into the ships into a hospital? Is that why Top Ships went up? Could you imagine if that is what it is? Top Ships announces completion of sale. Top Ships announces, dude, they're selling their vessels, dude, but they should make them into they should keep the vessels, work with the government, and make them into ships, man. For the sick. 4 dead on a cruise ship bound Holland America. 4 elderly passengers currently on board Holland America have died. The cruise line did not provide any details. However, it said the passengers tested positive and 138 people on the ship are experiencing sickness. The ship is currently off the coast of Panama and is transferring healthy guests to a sister ship. Holy mama. It plans to arrive in Fort Lauderdale before the end of the month. Oh boy. That ain't good, boys and girls. That ain't good. All right, guys. So listen, Mojo's done trading here for the day. Maybe you got a little action at $68 on that TVIX in the after hours. See that? 65.72 by 88. May even go a little higher. This platform you can trade in the after hours right here, I do believe. Let me see if it's still working. I think I put it on the bid. I'm not going to do that. Okay, so the market is over, guys. I really appreciate everybody watching what I did today, how I focused in on one stock and one little tiny area only, which was trending as my friend. Stocks in motion, stay in motion. If you do those 2 things, you'll be 80% correct on your trades. Trend is your friend, stocks in motion, stay in motion. So with that, I'll leave you, and I want you to all have a great weekend. I wanted to say peace, keep it profitable, and after this show, guys, at the end, there'll be 2 other videos popping up. Check those out. Those are my previous shows, and if you're not subscribed, please be sure to subscribe and check out tickertalker.com. I did go live on there, so I will be streaming every time I go live on the ticker. And appreciate everybody of what they got going on. Be safe. Wash your hands a lot. Don't go too near anybody else. And get some masks, man. I got some masks coming, guys. You know what I'm saying? You want to see my mask? Dude, it's badass. Want to see my mask? Check it out. SA Fish. Here's my mask. Right here. So I got these right here. I got this one right here. I got this one, the Jokester, right here. I got this one, the Black Forest Camo. I got the hat, the SA hat with it. I got the this one right here. That's a cool one too. So when Mojo goes outside, guys, that's what Mojo's going to be looking like, right like that. It's called the SA website's called safishing.com. You wear these when you go fishing and protection. It's pretty good, man. And I got some, wear some golf gloves. I don't want to wear those shit, but I'll wear a golf glove, I'll go out and wear some golf gloves. Absolutely, dude. So Mojo's going to be ready, man. Ready to fight the virus when I go out of my house. So with that said, guys, please give me a thumbs up on my video. I'll see you Monday morning, 8:30 when I go live. And listen, be safe. Peace. Later.